What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be showing you the best way in our opinions to make fish. And in this video we're going to be working with Mahi because I like to use Mahi because it's a good firm fish and it doesn't fall apart. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
And all the spices we used are some redfish magic, blackened,
chipotle ground,
red pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We'll just mix that all together and put it in a bowl. And then all we have here is an egg wash with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of water, salt and pepper.
And lemon juice.
And some lemon juice. Now all you're going to do is just coat the fish. And then you put it on a plate, and we have a pan out on our grill right now, heating up. That's good. And then we're just gonna kind of
sear it.
But we're gonna cook it all the way through. And I think we have a little bit of snapper in here, along with the mahi.
Most likely the bigger pieces are mahi.
Yeah, the bigger pieces like we already have there, those look like mahi. But like this looks like a little snapper.
Good.
There we go.
There you go.
We can't do any more.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Move those over. I'm gonna need. Is there a hose on here? Yeah. Okay.
And so all we did was just put some oil.
Olive oil. As you can hear.
We accidentally put the grill a little bit too hot.
Can you move that?
And it burned.
The olive oil.
Yeah, sorry about my dad. That was a little bit weird.
It's a good way to quickly eat and cook fish.
Ooh, see that flake? Right what you want.
Nice and good.
And now let's let that cook for a few minutes. Since we accidentally had the grill so hot, we're leaving it open because if not, it'll reach like 700 degrees. That's our fault.
And I think they're done. Yeah?
Yep, they're done.
And that's some done fish.